So guys, in this video we'll be covering video views ads. So it should be pretty self-explanatory as to what a video view ad is. They're basically ads to generate views for a video. It's essentially quite similar to a reach ad where you'll be getting as many views as possible on a particular video. So the concept behind this ad is not just to generate a ton of views on a video, but also to build a bit of brand awareness and get some brand exposure. Hopefully this kind of ad will bring a lot of visitors to your profile, and if done correctly, you should get a ton of new followers and even new eyes on your brand. This ad is good for building social proof, and it's especially important for brands looking to build a following on the app. So ultimately, you have the option here to push a video that either entertains, informs, or educates your audience, and you want the viewers to click on your profile and follow you afterwards. There is no other aim for this ad, so to make it a success, you really have to create an engaging video. Okay then, so that's it with the theory. So the first thing we're going to do is, as always, click right here on create an ad button. And then just click on video views ad objective. So again, down below we have the option to choose a campaign name. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to select video views 1. And then I'm just going to leave this campaign budget for now. I'll sort this later in the ad. Okay, that's done. So click on next step. So the next step is to define the ad group, and to keep it simple, I'm just going to use video views 1. You can leave these placements as they are, that's fine. And now we can define our target audience again. So of course, I'll be using the same audience I'd go for normally, which is the United Kingdom and Ireland. No limit on gender, as I want to target both genders. And for age, I'm going to go with 18 to 54 again. So for languages, of course, I'll just select English. And unless you're selling food, you can ignore this HFSS box product here. Again, household income currently only applies to the US, but I'm not running ads there, so I'll leave this. But if you're in the US or running ads there, definitely play around with this household income if it applies to you. Okay then, so as for interests and behaviours, again, I'm selling online courses, and just to keep it simple, I'm going to put education. So guys, you know exactly how I would target this if I was running one properly, so if you want to refer back to the ad group lecture to get a better idea, then feel free to do so. But for this example, I'm just going to save time and leave it as education. Okay, on the next section, you will want to click all of these boxes as you want the most engaged audience possible, and just to better your chances of them engaging with your video. And then again, I'll put education least interest here, just an example, and I'm going to select 7 days tab, as this should be the most engaged audience. Then of course, we would like viewers of the ad to follow us and view our profile. So we're going to tick these 2 boxes here as well. And again, just put your niche category in here too. When you select your category here, this means you're targeting people who have previously followed and viewed profiles of that niche, which gives a super relevant and targeted audience. Of course, you may just want to target people who are most likely to follow you. So you could untick the viewed profile tab and just keep the following tab. This will increase the pool of people who are most likely to follow you, which will be good if this is your goal. So what you click on here with these interests and behaviors is solely predicated on what your goal is. If you want to push a video and get people to engage with it as much as possible and hopefully go viral, then leave all these as they are now. But if your goal is solely to get more followers and build your profile with this ad, then what I would actually recommend is ignoring all of these and only ticking the follow tab above. This way, every single penny you spend is used towards targeting people who are most likely to follow you, which, if that's your goal, would be the best way to spend your ad money. So decide on your objective and select the interest accordingly. But just to repeat myself, if you solely want followers, make sure you only have this one ticked. Okay, so as I've already covered hashtags in the ad group lecture, I'm just going to leave this for now. And of course, I'm going to leave device settings as I want to target everyone with any type of phone they have. And for content exclusions, I'm going to put this on full inventory as I want the most reach as possible. Okay then, so now we'll set the budget. For this example, I'm just going to put a daily budget of $25, which is a nice amount, and I want it running continuously all day. Okay then, so now we have what is nice and unique with video views ads, and that's a bidding and optimization function. So here we have the new optimization goal. Our ads will automatically be optimized for 6-second video views. You previously had the choice between 2-second or 6-second views, but it's now clear TikTok have got rid of the 2-second view option. I'm going to leave this on lowest cost of course, as I want my money to go as far as possible. Okay, so let's move on to the next step. So here is where the magic happens. Now for video views, your video really needs to be as epic as possible. As I said, it needs to either inspire, educate or entertain your audience. I would recommend not using a template here. You need to actually create a good video. Relying on a template may be a waste of money. I've got a whole section on ad examples and how to create an ad, so you can get some inspiration from those lectures. Okay guys, that's it for this lecture. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.